everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I achieved this beautiful brows using a brow gel, and here are the tools that we are going to use today: a spoolie brush, a flat concealer brush, a flat angled brush, and we also need a brow gel, and this is from Huda Beauty. And I'll be needing a lighter shade of concealer, and this is from Classic in the shade medium. And I'm also going to need a darker shade of concealer, which is in that of my skin tone, and this is from Zaron in the shade AZ15 dark. So at this point, I'm just going to brush the hairs on my brows using this spoolie brush. I'm going to pick up that flat angled brush and then dip it into the gel like this. So at this point, I'm going to draw a thin line underneath my brow. I don't want the lines to be harsh, and that is why I'm using a brown gel. So I'm just going to draw a thin line underneath my brow like this. And then after doing that, I'm going to go on top of the brow and then draw another thin line on top. But I'm not going to start from the front of the brow. I'm just going to move like half an inch backwards and then draw that thin line. So I'm going to connect it with the thin line underneath my brow. So at this point, I'm just going to fill up the areas where I do not really have enough brow hairs. So guys, moving on, I'll be using a lighter shade of concealer, which is like 2 to 3 tones lighter than that of my skin tone, underneath my brow, and I'm just going to apply that concealer in my palms like this and then start concealing the brows. So guys, at this point, I'm just going to blend the concealer so that it looks really good. So you discover that I did not conceal the front of my brow, so I'm going to go in with that darker shade of concealer from Zaron, which is in that of my skin tone, and I'm just going to conceal the front of the brow so that it looks good and so that it blends nicely. And for the top of my brow, I'm just going to conceal using that dark shade of concealer, which is from Zaron and which is in that of my skin tone. And I'm just going to conceal following what I have drawn. And after concealing, I'm going to blend everything so that it sits nicely on my skin. I like the front of my brow to look as natural as possible, so I'm just going to pick up that spoolie and brush up the front of the brow. So at this point, all I'm going to do is to repeat the same step that I did on this brow on the other brow. But most times the issue that people face is how to make the brows to look the same. So if you watched my previous videos, you discover that I usually use that concealer line that I used for in drawing the first brow to draw the second brow. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm just going to use the concealer line that I have underneath the first brow and on top the first brow to draw the second brow. Sometimes when you're done drawing your brows, they don't really come out looking the same or looking similar. You really do not have to worry. All you have to do is to make sure that you try your best to make them look similar. Most of the time, they don't always look the same because even the natural brows themselves don't look the same. So, but all you have to do is just to try your best to make them look similar and then slay with what you've got. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it has been helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment in the comment section. I know that it's been a while that I posted some videos, but I'm going to try my best to be more consistent. I love you guys so much and I've missed you guys so much. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment. See you guys in my next video. Bye.